create a location. Fine. Now we will talk about how to deal the different file formats. So let's begin with the CAD file. This is the default interface of CAD file. There are different layers, block, color, different things are here, right? So let's say there are so many irrelevant layers. You don't want to deal with it. So how to turn off? If you can see here, there is a small button, layers. If you're not able to see this layer button, you can refresh. Sometimes it's not appear, so if you press refresh, it will automatically appear. But remember, this function is only valid for CAD drawing, not for PDF or picture, only CAD file. So when you click here, layers, software will show you all the existing layers in your CAD file. So let's say you don't want furniture, you don't want wall, you don't want something. So you can turn on, turn off, depending on the things you like, you prefer, you can turn off and turn on. If you want hide all, here you go. Show all appears. So you can play with the layers you like, you want to keep it, you want to hide it. Okay. Another suggestion, but before a suggestion, imagine if this is the drawing and you highlight something here. There are already so many colors, then I highlighted, more color came here. Now it is confusing a bit what I have done and what's remaining. So I have another suggestion. Go to settings, graphics. First option is show CAD drawing with black background. When I uncheck, you will see the color CAD drawing is with the white background, right? Another option, settings, convert color CAD drawing into black and white. When I check, you will see your color CAD drawing turn into black and white. And imagine if I deal with this drawing and I highlight here, it's easy for us to locate what we have done and what's remaining. So this is another suggestion. But if you really want your colors back, especially in MEP, because red color defines smoke detector, green define maybe emergency light, and you really want to see your colors. So you can get it back from here. Settings, graphics, convert, uncheck, show CAD drawing, you can check it. Once you're done, go back to home and you can operate here. One small thing which irritates me sometime, you can see it. See, right now if I move my drawing, it's very smooth. But for some people, it's not that smooth. The reason is, in a zoom, there's one option, enable speed. So when it's checked, and by default it's checked, it's not in control, especially not for me. You see, I'm moving a little bit, but it's not in control. I personally don't like it. So if you are facing this, you can go to settings and uncheck from zoom and pan. Once it's unchecked, it's more in control. It's slow, it's good for me, depending on you. So if you are facing this, maybe you can bring it in control. So till now we have learned how to deal with CAD file. Now we will talk about how to deal with PDF file. So this is the PDF file, FA107. It's a PDF file, but let me show you the original location. I'll upload a drawing. If you remember, this is the location from where we uploaded. PDF file, I'm going to open it without PlanSwift in a PDF reader. So when I open it in a PDF reader, have a look. I have the colors. It's very clear drawing. Colors are there. Quality is also very clear. If you see here, very clear quality. Colors are also there. The same file, when we open it in a PlanSwift, what happened to colors and quality? Quality is reduced and colors are gone. If you zoom here, you see it's not that clear. So what happened to quality and colors? We will talk about it, but the reason behind is, let me show you. PDF file is always heavy. If you see zoom in and zoom out, take like half second to zoom in and zoom out. PlanSwift know this thing, and considering this factor, software always convert your heavy PDF file into picture. And when it convert, the quality is poor and colors are gone. This is the reason software convert, because PlanSwift don't want your drawing to be slower. Later you will add so many takeoff. So considering this factor, software always convert it. And when it's convert, you see the colors are gone and quality is poor. But speed, it's increased. To move here and there, it's speed. But maybe you don't want this format. You really want your colors back. So how to deal with the PDF file? This is what we're going to talk now. So let's add the drawing from here, add pages, and add the drawing. You can see here by the logo, it's a PDF file that I'm going to upload now, PDF file. Next, and here, software